one. Just an indication of how nicely the ball is coming onto the bat. To busy end. Cracking shot, teasing the fielder, should have been stopped. That's a 4.
Very exciting to see what he does here. Tries to sweep it this time. The fielder will have to do quite a bit. Just gets stuck. He did try and get in the dive, but that runs away for a boundary.
Slashes hard in the gap through extra cover. There was always 4 written all over it. Not the greatest of deliveries, and Himakar will not miss out. This is high, and that's over mid-on. And that will race away for another boundary. Back-to-back 4s for Himakar. He's turning it on, and this is turning out to be a good over. The stump goes cartwheeling. Sudarshan gets his man. A muted celebration with a bit of a stare. And Himakar has played a very, very ordinary shot. First wicket here for the Kakinada Kings.
Unnecessary. Trying to improvise. Just gets the leg stump, and he says...
Continue. Nicely played. That's in the gap. Beats the fielder at square leg. They'll run away for a 4. Hemant gets his first boundary. And he's been welcomed by a mighty, huge 6 that has gone into the stands. And that's the GMR maximum as well. He's miscued this one. Cries of catch it. Fielder will have to take that distance and run. And he does a spectacular job of covering a lot of ground and taking a very fine catch in the deep. Ravi Kiran with that effort. Hemant has to depart. And Sheikh Kamaruddin strikes in his first over.
Wasn't looking easy at all. He had to cover a lot of yards for that. He runs. And runs hard to take a perfect catch with his eyes on the ball.
Just over KS Bharat. That got some glove. Gets off the mark.
Nicely cut. Beautifully cut for 4. No chance to the point fielder. Give him ample width. Rock back and cut it. That's nicely played. Very nicely played. Very welcome boundary for Bhima.
Since the last boundary as well, tries to sweep him on the leg side and will dissect those 2 fielders. And after a long time then, the first boundary does finally come in here.
Goes for the big one on the onside. That's a massive strike. That's a GMR 6 from the blade of Shravan. Against the turn, but that's a beautifully executed shot from him.
Yeah, he's understood that now is the time to go. If not, now. Goes once again in the same area. This time just short off the fielder, who lets it go for a boundary as well. Then the boundaries as well came in, and yeah, one more. This time a GMR 6 of the match. Fantastic stuff here.